Welcome back to Cultus Car Black Color 1956, the channel where we explore rare machines, forgotten legends, and timeless designs. Today, we're diving into a true classic, the Cultus Car Black Color 1956, a model that carries the beauty and simplicity of mid-century automotive engineering while still capturing attention with its bold presence. This car may come from a different era, but the charm it brings is something that never fades. The first thing that strikes you is the exterior. The deep black finish feels rich and confident, almost as if the car was born to stand out no matter where it goes. There's a certain elegance in the body lines, a smooth flow from the front grille to the rear tail section that reflects the design language of the 1950s. The chrome touches around the headlights, windows, and bumpers add a bright contrast to the dark paint, creating that classic look enthusiasts admire. Its compact proportions make it look friendly yet proud, a small car with a personality big enough to leave an impression. The front fascia is simple but full of character. Round headlights sit perfectly on each side, giving the car a subtle expression that many older models share. The grille design is clean, finished in chrome, showcasing the minimalistic approach of the era. Move along the sides and you'll notice the modest wheel arches, the clean shoulder line, and the polished steel wheels that complement the overall theme. Even though the design is straightforward, it carries a nostalgic beauty, something that reminds us of a time when cars were built with pure craftsmanship. At the rear, the taillights are compact and functional, with a classic red lens design that fits the look of the era. The rear bumper, finished in chrome, adds a vintage glow when the light hits it. The boot design is simple, but it perfectly matches the rounded edges of the rest of the car. Overall, the exterior feels balanced, neat, and timeless, giving the Cultus Car Black Color 1956 a unique identity even after so many decades. When it comes to performance, this car reflects the engineering of the 1950s, reliable, mechanical, and straightforward. Under the hood, the engine offers steady power delivery suited for relaxed city drives and calm cruising on open roads. It's not built for modern speed or aggressive acceleration, but for its time, it represented a dependable and enjoyable driving experience. The throttle response is smooth, the engine note has that vintage mechanical charm, and the simplicity of the system means every drive feels connected and raw. The suspension setup is soft and tuned for comfort, allowing the car to glide over small bumps with ease. You can feel the classic driving dynamics the moment you take the wheel, light steering, gentle braking, and a sense of full control over the machine. It's a throwback to when driving was less about electronics and more about the connection between the driver and the road. Even though the performance numbers may not compete with modern standards, the driving experience is full of character, which is exactly what makes classic cars special. Moving inside, the interior of the Cultus Car Black Color 1956 embraces simplicity. The dashboard design is clean and functional, with analog gauges that give you just the essential information. The steering wheel is large, thin, and finished in a retro style that adds to the overall charm. The seats are basic but surprisingly comfortable, covered in classic upholstery that matches the era's aesthetic. There aren't many controls or features, but that's part of the appeal. Everything you see has a purpose, nothing more. This car is a reminder that automotive beauty doesn't always come from complexity. Sometimes, the simplest designs are the ones that stay in our hearts. The longest. The Cultus Car Black Color 1956 brings nostalgia, elegance, and mechanical honesty in one compact package. Whether you're an enthusiast of vintage models or simply someone who appreciates timeless craftsmanship, this classic continues to shine as a symbol of an unforgettable era.